So today I'm trying to documenting my journey, commuting journey from Cibubur to Jakarta, South Jakarta to be precise. So let's see what we are gonna witnessing at the road, yeah. First, we see the broken road, yeah. It's destroyed by the weather. Today, the weather is a bit cloudy. It's comforting to ride the motorcycle, yeah. When the weather is rainy, it's not that comfort to ride the motorcycle. When it's too hot, it also doesn't comfort as well. So I hope today's weather, well, at least the commuting weathers from Cibubur until the South Jakarta is consistently like this. I like the weather, I like the temperature, good temperature. Traffic is so-so because it's around 9 a.m. in the morning. We have to be quick. So this morning I'm using my Yamaha XSR 155 because my Suzuki address is flat tire, yeah. I'm having a flat tire. I don't have a time to bring into the workshop, so I just take my another bike. Usually when I'm going to the downtown or to the South Jakarta or Central Jakarta, I prefer using my Suzuki address, yeah, because traffic will be jammed, yeah. Traffic will be very crowded as well, so it is more comfortable to use the scooter-matic rather than use the manual. But let's see, if the traffic is not so bad, maybe it's also not a bad choice as well, yeah. So yeah, I also want to say welcome to my YouTube, documenting my journey, my commuting journey. I hope you enjoy it. Why not giving me a subscribe and turn on the notification, maybe. Just give me a bit credit, or maybe if you want to enjoy more of my video, then you can support me by doing that as well. So motorcycle now that I'm using is Yamaha XSR 155, as I already mentioned before. 4-stroke, 1-cylinder, 4-valve, LC 4V engine. By Yamaha. It's also have a VVA when it reaches 7,000 RPM. So let's see if we can reach 7,000 RPM, yeah? This is a city traffic, so better it's to not do a high speed or do another speeding. Also obey the rule, yeah. So passing through the flat line like this actually is forbidden, yeah. So this is a flat line, this is a strip line. Strip line it's okay. The line like this, it's not okay to do the passing or to change the lane, yeah. But motorcycle, mostly the rider doesn't care. They just pass wherever they want to pass. Whoa, it's a bit maneuver. Speed maneuver tayo. Okay. Shall we pass? You see the VVA line, yeah? I will shift down and then I try to reach high RPM so I can pass thoroughly, gracefully. You see the VVA indicator there is turning on. Oh boy, someone forgot to change the oil, eh? It's white smoke. Actually, my opinion on the eco-friendly vehicle is actually it's not when the brand new vehicle is coming out, but also the maintenance, eh? So if you have a high standards of emission at your car or your motorcycle, but you forget to do the maintenance of it, then it will be very bad, yeah? It will be the same. It still can produce a worst emission rather than if you maintain well your vehicle, yeah? Vehicle, yeah. Pardon my pronunciation. Okay, let's passing. No. Oh, change the lane. It's forbidden to change the lane, yeah. Who cares? Said another motorcyclist. So whenever they see a camera on, maybe they will try to more obey the traffic rule. Okay, strip line, we are able to do pass. Oh, we saw the paoga. When my camera is a bit down, I will adjust it accordingly. No worries. It is adjustable, so you will have a enjoyable view. But maybe after I get a proper stop, yeah. because I'm a beginner, so my tools is limited. So pardon me if there is any bad angle, bad takeaways, bad pronunciation as well. At least I'm trying to obey the traffic rule, yeah? Please obey the traffic rule. It is for your own safety and also another safety. You have family, you have relatives, you want all of your family relatives to be safe at the traffic. It starts from your own. It is beginning for your own self to develop the discipline and the traffic rule obey. Wear helmet everywhere, wherever you are going, especially if the road like this, yeah. When this is public road, people are speeding over, can be over 30 kilometer per hour or 40 kilometer per hour. So they are able to, anything can happen in the public road, yeah. Always wear your helmet. If you are on the car, always buckle up your seatbelt and obey the traffic rule, yeah. The road sign, the road marks, and always maintain your vehicle. At least change your oil in the timely manner interval, yeah. So we are entering the Cibubur red light, traffic light. As I remember previously, around this area there was a semiconductor manufacturer, yeah. So yeah, always stop on the stoplight. Let me adjust my camera so you will have a better view, yeah. I hope you will have a better view here. So yeah, not mistaken, around here we were having the Fairchild Semiconductor manufacturer. Okay, the tip to actually improve your fuel efficiency is to turn off the engine at the red light, especially if the traffic light is quite long, yeah. So you can save fuel economy. In case this motorcycle use radiator, so as long as the fan radiator is not turning on, then you can safely turn it off. Because if you turning off the engine while the radiator fan is turning on, see, what's the point of you being stopped after the stop line and you cannot see the traffic light? So it will be slowing you down. When the traffic light is already green, you're not moving. So plain stupid, right? Yeah, this is the traffic situation. Now we are in Jalan Raya Bogor, the Buitenzorg. This road is built since the Dutch in this era. You can see the truck, trailer, containers, everything you can see here because this is an old road. And so you can also getting someone is on race, yeah. Oh, that's a good one. Honda Tiger. I don't know from where the year this is, but this is a good Honda Tiger version. I like the color as well, yellow one, yeah. Honda Tiger is one of the legendary bike. Oh, what happened? What happened, bro? That's a good motorcycle. I like it. I have Honda Tiger previously, yeah, but somehow, yeah, I sell it. Then I changed to Yamaha XSR for some reason. But it's still, if you have the Honda Tiger in good condition, lucky you. Oh, where I'm going. Oh, it still have a black lamp, yeah. It's one of the first generation of Honda Tiger. Very rare. Rare motorcycle. Good one. Now we are meet with the traffic. Let's stand behind this Honda Tiger. Oh, what happened? Some vehicle is stopped. Some trouble. What happened? Oh, road rage. Road rage. Someone is hitting another vehicle. Yeah, because it's quite a bit unusual, yeah. It's quite a bit unusual to have traffic in the middle of this Jalan Raya Bogor. So we are cruising on the 6th year. If you drive a manual motorcycle, be sure to have a high gear as possible, also to have a fuel economy. That's for another tip. Riding manual motorcycle is actually fun. If only the traffic is like this. But if you meet the traffic jam, then it will be hell no. But luckily, if you meet a bit only traffic jam, maybe if you use the Yamaha XSR L15. Again, this is not a paid promote, yeah, but I just want to, for educational purpose. They have an assist clutch, so the clutch will be lighter rather than not using assist. Okay, now we are arrived at Cijantung. Well, okay. Okay, no. Careful. This is Kasar flyover. I'm not passing this motorcycle, it's so unstable. Like he can change lane anytime. Should be careful. This is Indonesia, not like another country where you should have a big motorcycle so you can just pull the throttle and then we will go elsewhere. Indonesia traffic, you will meet some of ibu-ibu, emak-emak that will go right, but the sign lamp is turning on at the left side. Or maybe immediate child or immediate granny to crossing the road immediately. Shockingly. Now we are at Kramat Jati Market. So if you at this area, you will start to smell the spices. It's good spices. Indonesia is well known of its spices. That's why Europe nation is coming to us back around like 400 years ago, yeah? Because we have spices. You don't. I'm sorry. Already you have, but it's not as rich as we are. What is that? Red onion, I think, yeah? Oh, smell of red onion. I like every time when I pass the Kramat Jati. Spices, aroma is striking your nose. The mother market, the mother market of Kramat Jati. Kramat Jati market is also there. I think it's some kilometers straight after this. But the mother market is here. What is actually the mother market? You can only purchase the groceries amount, yeah? You cannot do the retail shop here. It's not a retail market. Groceries? I don't think so, groceries. Let's just call it the mother market. So this is called the Hack traffic light, Hack Junction. Yeah. If you go turn right, then you will arrive at the Taman Mini Indonesia Indah. The Hack Junction. Hack spells with H-E-K. Hack. Not H-A-C-K. H-E-K. Hack, ya, in Indonesia. Hack Junction. fun enough, yeah, the journey, yeah. It is fun until you saw traffic. If you cruising along Raya Bogor, usually traffic is not much, except if there is an incident, there is a vehicle trouble, or the road rage like we previously saw, yeah. Now the weather is quite sunny. See? You see that motorcycle, previous motorcycle immediately appear from the alley. Your big CC motorcycle is no use here. No use, I tell you. In Indonesia, I think this is my personal opinion, yeah. Okay, sorry, disclaimer on. This is my personal opinion. In Indonesia, the ideal configuration of motorcycle, I think, around 100 until 400. Above that, then maybe, again, this is my personal opinion, yeah. Above 400, I think, or maybe above 500, yeah. Around that. Maybe you will only have an extra extra money to be spent on the maintenance, because the higher the bigger the engine, another part should be adjusted accordingly, and it is adjustment meaning more material. More material means more cost. More cost also means more maintenance, especially if it's a fast moving part. You will have a bigger brake shoe. You will have bigger anything. Oh no, he's smoking. Wow. God. You will also find a lot of motorists that do smoking while driving. That's bad, yeah. Their ashes will go through the eyes of another rider. It's very bad. Bad habit. Smoking is no good. Okay, we are arriving at Cililitan now. There's an ambulance. We have to give the way, yeah? You see the bluish and red minibus. It's called Angkot. They just like stop everywhere they want, like this. Ha. Maybe they should pick up the riders, or maybe they just want to drop off the passenger as well. so many traffic violation that we already got, yeah. Not using helmet, violating the road sign, the road marks, stopping anywhere. Now welcome to Jakarta. This is the traffic. Usually this place is having a quite traffic jam, yeah. Poor ambulance. It's hard for them to pass because of the traffic. Let's hope for the best. Welcome to Jakarta. Traffic chaos. Maybe you will have a comment, yeah, why I am choosing this green line. Actually, this is a bicycle line, but it's not forbidden to pass here, I think. Not I think. It's not forbidden. But it is, if there is a bicycle, it will be prioritized. But we don't have any bicycle here in Cililitan. Well, maybe at the dawn or early morning. Oh, they talk to each other. Okay. So interesting. Poor ambulance. I still think of the ambulance. Okay, conversation going on. They greet each other. It's warm culture of Indonesia, ya. Traffic jam, from my opinion, is not so bad. This is according my experience. I still can go past like this. Yeah, maybe just a bit slowing the speed, yeah. So no worries lah. Not using automatic motorcycle is still acceptable in this traffic lah. At least nowadays the technology of the manual motorcycle has improved. There are an assist clutch, I heard there is some brand also they implement AMT transmission for the manual motorcycle. Quite interesting. AMT or AGS, yeah, automatic gear shift. I can feel the radiator fan is turning on. So in this case, I'm not turning off the engine because it means the temperature of the engine is already reached certain level that needs an extra cooling. And the cooling is not only done by the fan, because fan will be cool the radiator part, but the radiator liquid needs to be circulated as well. And how it will be circulated is by the engine. While the engine is on, they will also couple to the water pump and then pumping all of the radiator liquid. So they will circulate it and then get cooled by the radiator fan. That's why if you turn off the engine while the fan is still on, the fan won't go away. Except if you turning off the contact. If you just cut the engine, wow, traffic jam, chaos. This is quite dilemma. Actually, if you see this yellow junction, yellow box junction, actually we are not allowed to go until the yellow box junction is already clear. So yeah, I admit I do the violation as well. But it's dilemma if I'm not going. The vehicle, all the vehicle at my back will be screaming, revving, and start to honking at me. That's quite the dilemma. Now we are at Dewi Sartika Road. What I love about the Yamaha, yeah, I have tried 3 brands motorcycle. I tried Honda, I tried Suzuki, I tried Yamaha. What I love about Yamaha is the brake. The brake is soft, but it's very, you can very dependable. You can depend on the Yamaha brakes without going too hard, pushing the brake lever, yeah. So that is eliminating the worry when you ride a motorcycle at some speed, yeah. Maybe like around above 50. But maybe the downside of this is the brake shoe. The brake shoe is quick to should be replaced, yeah. Pardon my grammar. Okay. Now turning on radiator fan, so I'm turning off the engine. It's screen already. I have to start the engine as well again. the Otista Road, Otto Iskandar Dinata ya. If you go straight, it will yellow blinking. Okay. Always see the traffic sign and traffic light. The weather now is cloudy. Seems like it's about to rain. I should be hurry up. Or else I will get wet when I arrive at my office. You can depend on the brake of Yamaha, yeah. I give compliment for Yamaha for their brake engineering. It's ahead of the curve. Soft while it's also great brake performance. Eliminating the anxiety or the worry if you have to do the panic braking. Oh no, I can feel slight of rain, yeah. Should be in a hurry. Oh no, it's a red light, but everyone is moving. I should obey the traffic light, so I will not taking the left side. I promise you. No, it's just only a few seconds. Just wait it patiently, yeah. Okay, so I think I will stop the video here. Thank you for watching my video. See you at another time, yeah? Another chance, another time, another day, another week.